Question 2, it says a sample of 300 light bulbs of a certain type were tested to find how long they lasted. Okay, the time in hours that each of the 300 light bulbs lasted was measured. Okay, and then below is the cumulative frequency polygon for the times that the bulbs lasted. So another way they could word this is they could, instead of diagram, they can use the word polygon as well. Okay, just to show that we're joining the points with straight lines. Again, you see that word cumulative, it's a running total. Okay, so you've got a small number here that didn't last very long. Okay, so they lasted, less than 200 hours. Okay, and so on, right? And then you keep adding, as it says, a running total cumulative frequency. So you add in the frequencies until you get to the very best of the light bulbs that lasted up to 1600 hours. So let's have a look here. It says, what is the value of the interquartile range for the bulbs, right? So interquartile range, well, we need to find the quarter values, don't we? I mean, the median would be there, wouldn't it? 150, because that's in the middle. Okay, 300 bulbs, 150 would be the median. But we want the upper quartile and lower quartile. So if 150 is in the middle, 75 is going to be the lower quartile, and then 225 is going to be the upper quartile. Okay, so literally you need to draw a line across the graph until it hits the graph. Okay, and then you read down from there, and that would be, I think each square represents 20, so that'll be 460. Okay, so the lower quartile, I'll write down here, is 460 hours, and then you do the upper quartile. Okay. Okay, so if you see that there, I think that's 880 I've got there. So the upper quartile is 880. So then to get the interquartile range, okay, it is the upper quartile, take away the lower quartile. So that would be 880, take away 460. Okay, and you get then 420 hours. Okay, so that's the answer there. Now, what I was saying, of course, is that the middle 50%. Yeah, that's an important interquartile range, isn't it? The middle 50% of the bulbs last around 420 hours. Okay, or the spread. Sorry, being a bit more precise there. The spread of the middle 50% of the bulbs are over 420 hours. Okay. B, it says estimate the number of bulbs that lasted longer than 950 hours. Okay, 950 hours. Right, now what you need to do is look up the time for 950 hours. And you've got 900 here, so 950 is around here. It's 950. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line up from 950 and then read across to see how many bulbs we're at. That takes us to there. So that would be, I think that's 235 there. So let's read the question again. Estimate the number of bulbs that lasted longer than 950 hours. So that means 235 lasted less than 950 hours. So you've got then these final amount then, 65 I think, isn't it? 65 actually lasted longer than 950 hours. Okay, there's your answer.